time. At 5:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Evangeline, or near Jennings, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jennings, Iota, Mermentau, Evangeline, and even around 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Crowley, Maxey, and Mulatto around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hathaway, Midland, Roanoke, and Thurwood. This includes Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 58 and 84. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Issued a flash flood warning for Avoid Oaks Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, southeastern Rapides Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ville Platte, Marksville, Bunkie, Simisport, Moorville, Cheneville, Palmetto, Marl, Bordelonville, Bayou Current, Cottonport, Monshire, Hesmer, Evergreen, Plottsville, Goodell, DuPont, Big Cane, Whiteville, and LeBeau. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.